What's up? Today I am making pulled pork, not by scratch. It's from the refrigerated deli section of the Costco's store that I absolutely love to go to. Takes like 7 minutes in the microwave because I like that quick and easy. Quick and easy on weekdays. But I'm going to make mango salsa to go on top of my pulled pork. There's something about the sweetness with the smokiness of the pulled pork. It is just so good. And then I like to put it on a crepini and roll it up and eat it like that. Today I think I'm going to throw it on a tostada though and eat it like that instead of a crepini and save the crepinis for my lunch. So anyways, we're going to use 3 mangoes, half of a red pepper. I don't know if I'm going to use the whole thing or half of the red onion because this is a very, very small red onion. I'm going to see how much I actually get out of half of it. And if I get enough, then I'm only going to use half. 1 jalapeno. And I have 1 lime here that I'm going to zest and juice. So, you know, I make this a lot. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I eat a lot of mango salsa. I've been on a mango salsa hype lately, so I figured why not show you guys how to make mango salsa. Oh, also salt. So you guys, there is cilantro in the recipe. I don't know why I keep forgetting ingredients. Forgot the salt, forgot the cilantro. I don't know. Sorry, my bad. Oh, what the heck is that? See that? My kid threw cheese on the ground. Rude. Okay, so anyways, we're going to get to cutting the mango. So you're going to get a very sharp knife, and you're going to cut it off-centered. Off-centered, okay? So there's usually a seed straight down the center. See how easy that was? And then you're just going to repeat on the other side. And then I just put this piece to the side. But then you take your half, kind of like how you would an avocado. You know, you just go down with some lines that way. I'm going to go down with some lines this way. You could even put it on your board if you're not feeling confident with holding it. I do that sometimes. And then that's how a lot of people get that really pretty. Oh, this one's not going to flip over that nice for me. That's lovely. Cute. Then you just take your spoon. I have my bowl over here. Just like an avocado. Oh, well, it'd be nice if I could hold on to it, right? And scoop your mango out. Perfect, right? I don't need that, baby. Thank you. Please get down from there. Woo! I'm trying to chop my nails off. This side's not going to flip out inside out either, but, you know, scoop it. Oh my goodness.
Uh-oh.
Joe, please get down from there. You're going to fall. You little daredevil. Apparently this one is not, oh, thanks, kid. Totally ripe. Because when it's totally ripe, there's no hassle. This is like right, maybe a day or 2 shy from being totally right. But that's okay. It'll still work great for the salsa. Just have these totally cut up. Sometimes you'll have pieces where the knife didn't go all the way through when you... Oh, well that's a wasted piece. Lovely. Alright. And then, for this part, I just go through. And I cut all the edges. Sometimes you'll have pieces where you can feel that there's like extra meat, like right here. Extra mango meat. A little bit right here. So what you could do is you could either devour this piece for yourself, which is usually what I do, or you can continue to cut it up. And see, it's all done. So we're just gonna go through and chop that up. Joe, I'd really appreciate it if you'd get down from there, because like I said, you're going to fall. So you're just going to repeat with the 3 other mangoes, or the 2 other mangoes that you have, and we will move on. quick for us. All right, so I'm just gonna show you how I plate it. Even though you guys probably don't even care, you're just getting down to the salsa. I mean, heck, you could just even take some tortilla chips and get down with this. But I'll show you how I put it on my pulled pork that I was talking about. So I'm just gonna put the pulled pork on a tostada. Oh, this kid. And then put the salsa on top. Maybe a little drizzle of crema. Chow on down. All right, y'all, so we are ready. Got my tostada, got my pulled pork. If you guys have not picked this up out of the deli section of your Costco, do it. It's only 7 minutes in the microwave. It's good. There's a lot of it. We'll probably eat on it for a few days. Like I said, I like to put it in the crepinis that I also get at Costco. Please stop. So, I'm just going to put some pulled pork onto my tostada. Why can none of my children get along today? The furry one and the human one. They're driving me crazy. Get out. Get out. I'm not going to deal with this. Sorry, guys. And then I'm going to top it. Top it with the mango salsa. Yum, yum, yum. I'm going to get some avocado over here. A few slices. Put a few beautiful slices of avocado right on there. If you want, you can put some salsa on this, put some crema. I'm not going to do all that though. Man, that salsa is good.
In Sacramento, Johnson. And we also know that recently Speaker Pro Tem Kevin Bullock worked on legislation.
Really, guys, nothing beats homemade salsa. It's nothing. Anyways, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I'm sorry it was so long. I don't know why. I'm going to try to speed it up in the editing process, but, you know, I appreciate you guys for sticking this one out with me. Oh my goodness, I just had to run off because this kid is just climbing up the walls, like literally. Mom needs a drink today. Anyways, thank you for sticking this one out with me. I appreciate it. Please do try the mango salsa. It's fabulous. The pulled pork, fabulous. Can't even take credit for that, except for the fact that I slid my card at the checkout stand. Anyways, if you do recreate the salsa, you know, send it to me on one of my social medias of how you're putting it to use. Are you eating it with tacos? You eating it with a tostada and pulled pork? You eating it with chips and salsa? You putting it on a pancake? Ew, a pancake. Ooh, maybe not that. Maybe not that. Anyways, send it to me on one of my social media so then I can turn around and show the world how amazing you are. Anyways, thank you, and I love you guys. Peace out.